You know, I'm reading about Mike Brown possibly becoming the new Lakers head coach, and those of you who know me know I'm not the biggest Mike Brown supporter out there. But then I keep thinking back, and I'm a Yankee fan, and I remember when Joe Torre was named the new Yankee manager, and I said, not this guy. He was an average manager at best. He came over to a Yankee team. Nobody wanted him in New York. The papers ripped him apart. And he ended up winning a bunch of World Series and being maybe one of the greatest managers in Major League Baseball history. So could Mike Brown possibly have the same type of meteoric rise in L.A.? I mean, he's got a great team over there. He has the option, the ability to use these guys and form a great team. So before I start tearing Mike Brown apart, I'm going to wait and see what he does. It's an interesting move by the Los Angeles Lakers, but I remember back to the Yankees when Buck Showalter left and Joe Torre took over. Nobody wanted Joe Torre, and he ended up being maybe the greatest Yankee manager of all time. So could Mike Brown replace Phil Jackson and take the Lakers back to the greatness? I'm a little skeptical, but I'm going to hold my judgment until I see. Also today, name that stiff at 5'50", the great Mike Peplowski. I'm not really sure who he is even, but Mike Peplowski is a 7-foot stiff, 6'10" stiff out of Michigan State. That's a stiff at 5'50" today.